Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a hair keratin using potato, egg, turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Potato incorporates vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, and iron. These nutrients nourish the hair follicles and can promote hair growth. Eggs are rich in protein, biotin, and vitamin D, among other nutrients that play a role in hair growth. Turmeric enhances blood flow to help hair follicles get more oxygen and nutrients necessary for healthy hair growth. Use this keratin treatment once a week for best results. Use a shower cap for 45 minutes, then shampoo your hair.